Refurbish in the middle. I thought I'd do a little video tonight so I could get this put on YouTube. I am going to paint with Debbie's Design Diary DIY paint. This is the first time I've ever tried it, and I was really excited about it and I liked it. So I thought I'd get on here and we could do a how-to video from the beginning, because this is the beginning for me too. I've got this color I'm starting with tonight is Hey Sailor, and she's got cute little cans and stuff. And then I am gonna do Fancy Farm Girl, and that's a very, very pretty color. So I've got this table. Let me move you over here so you can see this one that I just posted on the blog that I did. But this time on this little table, I'm going to reverse the colors. And I should have done a video when I was doing that one, but I didn't, so that's what I'm going to do tonight. I'm going to do some painting tonight, and I thought we could do some painting together. I've just got this. Can you see? I don't want to keep fiddling. And okay, can you see? Yeah, you can see really good. I'm also using Paint Pixie brushes. I've carried Paint Pixie brushes, so these are really nice brushes. I've tried this one, this one, and then here's the famous French tip that everybody's talking about, and it really is a nice little brush. All right. So let's get back to the painting. One thing I noticed with this Debbie DIY paint is that I use a lot of water. It's completely different from other paints that I've used, and it's got a really different texture and the colors, and I like how when it's you can do less paint and you can get more high and lows in the paint color. And I just really have enjoyed it. So I'm going to start by misting. I found it's easier for me because this is a clay-based paint typically, and that's like a little, you just need a little bit. I basically paint with a mineral-based paint, and it is different. It's completely different. So, but I've been wanting to try this paint, and I thought this would be fun. A fun way to try it. And I like it too. I do. I really like it. So that sounds real good. I didn't put a second coat. I've already got one coat down here, so you could see. And I'm going to put the second coat on now. And then I did the back half. It's already got the second coat. And I thought you could see while I put the Fancy Farm Girl on there. Isn't that the cutest name? Fancy Farm Girl. Cute, cute, cute. I ordered some other stuff that I'm dying to try. It's called the Golden Ticket, and it's just beautiful gold that you can do a multitude of things with. I'm finding out, because this is all new to me, using her paint, I'm finding out a lot of her products have multiple uses too. So see, I'm just keeping dampness, and honestly, that's all the paint that's on there. There's not really that much, and it just slides and glides around with some water. And if you did a little heavier and you were gonna do like I could have done my first coat just a little darker or a little heavier with the paint, and then I could have just come right through and put the Fancy Farm Girl on it again. But the other table, that's what I did, but I wanted to see what it was going to be like doing a second coat, because like I said, this paint is completely new to me too. So let's get this. And I did that little table over there, and I did some canvases, and look, I still have half a jar, and I've done all this, so this paint it spreads around good. And you probably could, if you weren't comfortable with just spraying the water directly on your piece, you probably could just keep getting your brush damp but it's just as easy to me to do it this way. So, look how pretty that color is. It's very nice. Now I'm telling you, this is completely different from what I normally use. It's a clay-based chalk paint is what it says. So, there, that's really good. All right. Now let's see, let's go ahead. I want to turn the table around, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the green. And I'm also, there's no reason, but I'm using the bigger brush because I had it open. I already used it on the other table. These are new to Refurbish in the middle too. We're carrying the whole line of Paint Pixie brushes. So very, very excited about that. She just got these brushes. I love these brushes. These are synthetic brush, and I really, truly love a synthetic brush. I never really thought I was that much of a synthetic girl because for years I did the regular old China bristles. But once I got my hands on synthetic brushes, I really like them. I really do. Let me get this up here so I can see what I'm doing. Okay, see? Not that much paint. A little more. That's so pretty. I love these two colors together. I think they're so pretty. And this is gonna work out good. This is one I'm gonna sell, but the other one I'm keeping. So that's why I'm sort of doing two tables back to back in the same kind. Plus two, I didn't do a video yesterday, and I really wanted to do a video for y'all. And I just, honestly, I'm just spraying hilly-nilly. No, you know. I would just use water until you're comfortable. Use as much water as you need to get it get the paint moved around. You know, and after you use it for a while, you'll get really comfortable with it, and probably won't, you know, you'll get your own system down for painting with it if you try this paint. Okay. And this is just one of the little misto bottles. You can buy these all over. I hear people say you can buy them at Sally's Sally's Beauty Supply, not hair salon. And I bought mine on Amazon. I just bought them on Amazon, and I have enough so when I have classes that I have enough for everybody to use a mister bottle. And this paint, I noticed too, it dries really fast. It is a really good dry time. So that's pretty much what I've come up with so far with this DIY paint. I'm really excited about it, and I like it. I really enjoy it. It's a paint that suits me. She's got pretty colors, cute jars, cute little, it's like a circus theme, like the big top and golden ticket, and some of her other names are real cute too. All right. Put a little more green up here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry. And what I'll do too is I will let this dry real good and finish it up, and then I'll do a second video and I'll do wet distressing, because that's all I've done so far is the wet distressing. But I thought I'd get on here and show you how I did it, because it's real easy and it's fun, and this paint here is perfect for wet distressing. So I'll let this dry and then I'll come back. All right, thanks.